Welcome to the project demonstration of face recognition based vehicle authentication and IoT based streaming system. So in this project we have the steps like initially the system will capture the images by using this Pi camera, which is of 7 megapixel full HD camera, and once the image gets captured, the Raspberry Pi will detect the faces, and then after face recognition, and then after authentication for recognized faces. And once the recognized access granted, then the system will indicate the so-called status on the 16:2 LCD screen, as well as it will switch on the motor, which is represented as a car ignition, and also green light indication on this breadboard. If the person is not after recognition, if the person is not granted, then the motor will not be on, and also buzzer will be indicated through the transistor boards, as well as LED will be off state only. So here the system provides the power supply for the DC motor through the 9-volt battery 9-volt battery and through this transistor board. Here you can observe the two transistor boards are used to, one transistor board used to on the DC motor and another is used to on the buzzer. So here the DC motor is of 9 volt, that's why we are using 9 volt battery, and buzzer is of 5 volt. So we are providing the 5 volts power supply through this breadboard. So we are going to provide the 5 volt supply from Raspberry Pi to the breadboard, and here we are distributing the 5 volts power supply to the switch, LED, as well as buzzer board. So here we are using it as breadboard in order to distribute the 5 volts power supply. And next is also, after this face recognition and all, we have the one more feature of IoT streaming. So for that, before switching on this kit, go to hotspot settings in your Android phone and change the hotspot name to project 4756. So without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789. Check twice and then on the hotspots. And next, install the network analyzer application from the Play Store. So this is the network analyzer application. Install that. Right. And now connect the battery for the DC motor, first step, and then give the power supply to the Raspberry Pi. So it will take maximum of 20 to 30 seconds for booting. Once the booting successfully done, then the welcome message will be displayed on the LCD, as well as the buzzer and LED will be on and off 2 times. So coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced the LCD module at 10, 9, 11, 17, 27, 22 pins of Raspberry Pi, and 23 pin for buzzer, 24 is pin for LED, and switch is for second pin. So they are the interfacing connections. Right. So now the system is monitoring. So let us see the face recognition. So let me sit in front of this one. Right. So face recognition, and you will display the so-called recognized person name along with accuracy. So if you want to switch off the motor, the ignition, then when it is displaying monitoring, then only we need to press the switch and the motor will be off state. So let us coming to the IoT streaming. So after opening the network analyzer, go to LAN scan and then do the scan. So there we'll get the Raspberry Pi IP address. Note down the IP address 192.168.43.103, and now go to Google Chrome. Right. So in the Google Chrome, write the IP address. So like 192.168.43.103, and next very important is :5000//stream, and now enter. Right. So we are getting the streaming directly. image.